first stop is Sweden. So there are plane stretches on Pinterest that I was dying to check out to see if it actually works. This is to help blood flow and circulation, bring more oxygen into your body. It's supposed to help with preventing swelling in your legs, and it's supposed to help. Steven, don't do that. No, sit down, please. Thank you, sweetheart. And it's supposed to help with muscle tightness. So let's give this a shot. So the first thing they say for you to try is the neck stretches. So all the way back, all the way forward. Do this 4 times, nice and slow. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. And then side to side. Nice and slow, 4 times. And then you're going to circulate. And rotate that. 2 more times. Back to center. That felt really good. Cat-cow. So for people that know what cat-cow is, normally you're supposed to be on all 4s, your knees and the palms of your hands, and you pull your upper back forward and then pull it back. And this is to help open up your chest and to help stretch out your back. You have to wait. Doing a sitting version, same exact thing, only you're just not holding it down. So as you push forward, you're pulling in your back right into your spine and hold. 2 and seconds. Now you're going to pull it in, sucking forward, and then putting your chest inward. 10-second hold. Do that again 3 more times. Occupied right now, honey. Last time, make sure you're breathing. I'm with my family, so this is obviously easier, but you'll have to ask the person next to you if they wouldn't mind. But you take your hands, pull them forward, and stretch the side as far as you can go without, you know, messing with somebody. So side and hold 10 seconds. And then side bend again. your shoulder. Repeat that one more time. Next one is eagle arms. You're just simply taking your elbow across your arm, take your other arm, put, and then put as much force on it as you want, or as less. But this will help pull this into a good stretch, including your shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds. It's still occupied, honey. You have to wait. I know, it's occupied. I can't do anything for you. You gotta wait. And then repeat it one more time. Is that enough of a close-up for you? Next is shoulder rotation. It's just very simple, putting your shoulders back 10 times. 2, 3, 4, having fun. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're gonna go forward 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last thing is the open chest. You're going to take your arms, put over your neck, and you're going to go right over here. Can you go at a higher angle so they can see? No. Other way angle. Other way.
Let's go.
Position that for you. Anyway, around. And you're going to tilt your neck down. This is going to open up your chest, your upper back, and your arms. Felt pretty good. Anyway, so it's recommended that you do it as much as needed. They say at least every 2 hours to help keep the blood flow, and they highly recommend for you to get up and at least walk to help circulate motion and blood flow through your legs as well. If your legs are feeling a little bit more swelled up, they said to make sure that you crunch your toes and do ankle rotations by doing circular motions with your feet. But I will continue doing this every couple of hours or so, or as much as I need, and I will let you know if it works out. Thank you, and I'll let you know whether I pin it or not pin it.